Yeah, I was asked to open this and compare the Go1 with the 2. And I have this already open. It's a little tougher to open. The 2. And then the 6 Phillips screws around in a circle, and the 1 I'm gonna open right now to see what's inside and to compare it. Alright, so on the 2 we can see here we have a passive radiator on there. Put this to the side, a speaker and a passive radiator. All waterproof and nice. And this one here, the 1, does have this little tunnel here. Yeah, like an air duct that brings the base around and spits it out through that hole. This cannot be waterproof because it would suck in the water through that hole there. So that's why this one is not waterproof. So they had to do a design change here to make it waterproof. And that's what they did. Passive radiator, slightly larger speaker there.